If your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are not charging, the red, orange, or amber charging LED indicator is not turning on, the light keeps turning off after a while, or there's no light at all, then stay tuned and I'll show you some easy to follow troubleshooting steps that will help you fix any charging issues with your Sony XM5 headphones. The first thing that all of you should try is cleaning the charging port. You can use a Q-tip soaked in rubbing alcohol or a soft bristle brush to clean it thoroughly, and after that try charging it again. If cleaning didn't fix it, then make sure that the cable is connected properly to your headphones and they're connected to the power source firmly. You can also try changing the cable. First try using the provided cable, then try a different cable or change the adapter and see if it fixes. And you'll need to make sure that the adapter can supply 1.5 ampere or more. You can also try charging it using your phone or PC and see if that works. Also, if you haven't used your headphones in a while, then the LED may take some time to light up. So be patient, keep it plugged in for a few minutes, and hopefully the LED will come up. If it's still not charging, then you should also ensure that your headphones have the latest firmware. Sometimes outdated firmware can also cause this issue. Still no luck? Then try factory resetting your headphones, repair it to a device, and try charging after that. In some cases, if the charging LED keeps blinking, or the LED turns off after a while, then it's a sign that your headphone has overheated, or the rechargeable batteries have issues. So don't place it directly under sunlight or near any heat source. And if none of these steps fix it, then the battery is either non-functional or the charging port is damaged. So make a warranty claim if possible, or get in touch with Sony support. And these are all the steps that you can take to fix not charging issues of your Sony XM5 headphones. If this helped, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.